How do you examine for the teres major muscle? The patient is adducting the elevated upper arm against resistance. You can see the muscle belly of the teres major and you can actually feel it. Above this muscle is the teres minor muscle, and in between the two muscles, the teres major and the teres minor, you will find the quadrangular space that contains the axillary nerve and the posterior humeral circumflex artery. A vague pain posteriorly in this location may indicate entrapment of the axillary nerve in the quadrangular space. The triangular space will be more medial, and the triangular interval is slightly distal, as indicated in this diagram. Function: the teres major muscle causes three movements of the shoulder joint. It pulls the humerus towards the trunk, adduction. It turns the humerus medially, internal rotation. It pulls the humerus posteriorly, extension and retroversion. So its function is adduction, internal rotation, and extension of the shoulder. The teres major is supplied by the lower subscapular nerve. Both upper and lower subscapular nerves innervate the subscapularis muscle. The upper and lower subscapular nerves come from the posterior cord of the brachial plexus. The subscapular muscle carries the name subscapular, so it gets innervation from the upper and lower subscapular nerves. The thoracodorsal nerve is in the middle. The teres major muscle is lower than the subscapular muscle, so it is innervated by the lower subscapular nerve, as you can see here in this diagram. Thank you very much. I hope that was helpful.